Soft washing equipment for render cleaning, the Blend 100. Earn more money faster by soft washing render with the Blend 100. The very best soft washing equipment on sale today is made by SoftWash Systems of Florida and sold by Purple Rhinos SoftWash Systems Limited in the UK. The Blend 100 makes life easy for the render cleaning operator to make and apply an effective soft wash solution which can safely clean render, cladding, brick and stone free from organic matter. Wall cleaning has never been this easy. A larger sodium hypochlorite tank ensures you a longer render cleaning working day. Anything with a fossil fuel engine is not soft washing equipment. It is merely a converted pressure washer and is not recognised by the soft washing industry who cleans rendered buildings. Learn more about render cleaning with the Blend 100 and other soft washing equipment by visiting our website softwash-systems.com or call 08000 496 098.